What's up, guys? Welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'm sitting up here on the bow of this brand new 2026 Saxdor 400 GTC. Now the GTC is the coupe version. I'll go over that once we get into the salon area. Starting up here in the bow, nice seating area, good gathering area to hang out with your friends and family out on the water. You got safety grab handles. I got access to my windlass up here, so if we wanted to take the boat somewhere and anchor up, we can use the sides that fold down. I'll show you those later as well. Just enjoy time out on the water with your friends and family. Next, we're gonna head in and head down into the cabin area, one of the cabin areas on the 400 GTC. As we step in here, nice glass door that slides open. Step down 3 steps. Now I can pick these steps up. I do have a little small sleeping area or storage area in the back there. Over to our starboard side, nice head compartment. Vacuum flush head, fresh water. You have your controls to turn the boat on and off, everything like that over here on your port side. JL Audio. This one right now, you have a seating area that also has a bed cover. That way you can make it a little bit softer, a little bit more comfortable if you're going to spend a couple nights on the boat. Just a great little area to hang out. It is air conditioned down here, so if you have some little ones that you want to get down, get them out of the sun, you can do that. Up to the helm area, nice giant Simrad screens. This boat is equipped with Mercury 400s with the joystick piloting option, which is a great feature. It's got skyhook and auto heading on there, so easy for the captain to control this boat, dock this vessel, go to restaurants, whatever you're doing out on the water that day. You also have a bow thruster as a backup, so that's nice and easy to maneuver the front of the boat. Really well thought out. Triple kind of helm seat here. You got a single one for the captain and co-captain as well, which is double. You can move these forward and back. So for me, being a little bit taller, it's nice to be able to move that seat back. I also have a sunroof up ahead. Speaking of being a little bit taller, tons of headroom in here, lots of space, windows all around, lots of natural light. Just a great vessel to have fun and enjoy yourself out on the water. So over to the port side, we've got your Kenyan cooktop. We do have 2 refrigerators up here, which is great. So you can have beverages, cocktails, whatever you're doing, freshwater sink. And then once you're done cooking, you can just simply close these down. You've got a nice serving area that if you want to lay the food out, you can do that and entertain your guests. Over here, I do have a seat that I can use. It's powered, so this will actually flip back. I'll just flip this table up to be able to get around. Slide the support back, this seat flips back, and then I have also more space for people sitting forward as you're underway. Wraparound seating, great for entertaining. Again, this is temperature controlled as well, so nice and comfortable for you and your guests. If you want to turn that off, you can slide these boat doors open, put those sides down, let it allow the air flow through. Just great entertainment space, awesome seating areas. Cognac interior looks awesome. They just did a phenomenal job with this boat in and out. Down here we have a huge storage area that I can access from under this seat. You can also get it equipped with, you could get a filler cushion that goes down there, and it is air conditioned, so you can actually have another area for sleeping. So aside from the one up front here, you also have one back here towards the aft of the boat. You can open this window as well. It is operated by a button. You just simply unlock the other little door on the side, flip this open, and then you have tons of air that you're able to move through with the sunroof and all the doors open. Just a great area to hang out and spend time with family and friends. Back here, another great gathering area. As I said, when this is all open, you're kind of connecting the inside and the outside. So if you have guests hanging out underneath, you can also have guests hanging out here in the sun. You could flip these sides down if you're beaching the boat, if you're anchored somewhere. Kids can jump in the water, jump back on the boat, do whatever they want, just to have a fun day out on the water. Again, equipped with the twin Mercury 400s. Those are the V10s. Great power option to this boat. It's going to get you up on plane. This boat rides incredible. We had it out the other day. Just a fantastic option for a family. If you want to be able to extend some shoulder seasons up here in the Northeast, you can do that with the heating and AC option. If you have any questions on this 2026 Saxdor 400 GTC, feel free to give us a call at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.